Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage orders in your Wix store, step by step. If you're running an online store with Wix, it's important to know how to track, update, and fulfill customer orders efficiently. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. Before you can start receiving orders, make sure your website is connected to a Wix Premium plan that supports online payments. This allows customers to purchase products directly from your store. Once your store is live and customers start placing orders, log into your Wix account and open your website dashboard. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Sales. A submenu will appear. From there, click on Orders. This is your order management area. Here, you'll see all orders placed by your customers. You'll be able to view important details such as the order number, customer information, payment status, fulfillment status, total amount, and the products included in each order. To view more information about a specific order, simply click on it. Once the order details page opens, you can review the customer's contact information and shipping details. If you're shipping physical products, you can also add a tracking number so customers can track their deliveries. You can scroll down and add private notes for yourself or your team. These notes are not visible to customers. Next, click on More Actions to access additional options. From here, you can mark orders as fulfilled, edit orders, print order details, cancel orders, or archive completed orders. If a customer has not completed payment, look for the Collect Payment option. This allows you to send payment requests or mark the order as paid when payment has been received. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.